Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. iOS 18.7.3 is out. The update size is about 350 MBs, 347 MBs actually. And in this video, I'm going to talk about this update in detail. So without any further delay, let's get jump into this video. So first of all, if you want to install this update, you need to go to settings, channel software update. And this update is for the iOS 18 users. If you are on iOS 26 or any other update, it is not for you. It is only for the iOS 18 users, and it's an official update. You don't need to turn on any beta profile. You will see this update if you are on 18.7.2, and this is coming from 18.7.2. This is the update size. Now, if you ask me what is new with this update provides important security fixes, and it is recommended for all users. Even it is not a bug fix, even it is not bringing any sort of features, it is an important security fix. Even if I tap on learn more, there is written something like this. As you can see, if you want to read this, you can pause and read. This update provides important security fix. So this update is all about a security fix and an important security fix, which means you need to install this update, which means you need to install this update right away if you are on iOS 18.7.2. Now, if you are asking me if there was any issue with the 18.7.2, will those issues get fixed with it? Yes, maybe, because for now it is not saying that it is fixing bugs. It is saying it's a security update, but you can try and install this update, and maybe if you're facing any bug, that might get fixed. So if you ask me that what is the battery life we can expect from this update, definitely we can expect a really good battery life from this update, because I already tested out 18.7.2, and 18.7.2 is a really good battery life update, and I'm expecting same from this because it is almost end of iOS 18. It is not bringing any sort of new features, it is not bringing any sort of change, which means there are no new features, so battery is not going to compromise in any possible way. So we can expect a really good battery life from this update, and also we can expect a really good performance from this update without any issue. And if you ask me how the battery life and performance is, for now I haven't updated it. I'm definitely gonna update to this right away, right after this video. I will test out the battery life, I will test out the performance for 24 hours or so, and will share my experience with upcoming video. But for now, 18.7.3 is out. It is an important update. There is nothing new crazy going on. It's just a security update, and maybe this is going to be the last iOS 18 update, and it is recommended for all users to install this update. So if you're iOS 18, go and install this update. Don't worry about anything. I will see you tomorrow with a 24-hour battery life review of this update, and will share my experience how the things are going on along with the Geekbench score and more stuff, which means you need to subscribe the channel for that video. Well, this is all from this video. I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.